fell into this industry by way of necessity. A lot of times as an entrepreneur, you need the resources, or you need people in your network so you can execute certain things. What I found was that in learning how to graphic design, that segued me into an environment where I felt free to express myself, express my brand, express the message that you want from your business to the market. Then slowly, as I progressed through graphic design, I naturally gravitated towards web design. And then when I started to use web design, that's when I really got into coding. That's when I really started looking at code as a viable option for me. And that's when I started to really lean into that new passion, which was coding / creating, using code, using graphic design through websites and media, social media, as well as videos and the like. So once I started to pique that interest, it just started to peel back layers and layers and layers of knowledge when it came to code and understanding how the world interacts with my code and how to make that code better. So that's kind of like where my love or my passion for code came from, through the realization of understanding I could actually be independent and do all of these things for myself, as well as learning and teaching others as time goes by. These days, code is everywhere. It's in your camera, it's in your phone, it's in your TV, it's in your washing machine. You can't even turn on a light anymore without an algorithm or some kind of script, sending the signal somewhere else, bouncing it back to a relay, and then it turning it back on. So nowadays, code is just within the fabric of the society that we live in. So it's almost like learning another language or flexing a muscle. If you use it, it'll be good to you. So I've always leaned towards the digital space where it comes to code. How it impacts the industry is, now that we have a plethora of information that is the internet, code itself has become a currency, so much so now that we have used that to turn it into Bitcoin. That's code. Bitcoin is code. In a sense, you're using code as currency. So just let that sink in to show you where we are as an industry and a society, as how we interact with the code around us. Coding it right now, for me, is probably one of the most single important industries that we should be serving a lot more.
If you work in the digital space, we would like to hear about your journey. To be a part of Snippet, go to kidswhocode.fun. Thanks for watching.